Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself and look at me, You made
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? So what are we getting into today? So if you guys seen the last video, you guys seen that we had a little bit of an issue with the CTSV on the dyno video, that we were having a fuel pressure drop issue. What was happening is the car currently has a 10 PSI hop switch on it, which means that the second pump wasn't cutting on, or the aux pump wasn't cutting on until it was reaching 10 pounds. But what was happening was we started having pressure drop once the car started seeing, I want to say like 3 or 4 pounds. So what I ended up doing was I ended up getting a new hop switch. So here we go right here. We got a Honeywell 3 to 4 PSI hop switch. I'm gonna be swapping that on. But yeah, that's what's pretty much what I'll be going down today. I'm gonna be going to D's, getting an update on the Stang, seeing what that's looking like. And then hopefully I can set up something with Jason to where we can get some street tuning with this thing, because I need this car done pretty much. So let's see how today goes, but I'm gonna be taking y'all along with me and you know, doing V3 things. All right, here we go. Just getting here to Josh's. Another car. Look like you got a trans going in.
I've been fucking with trans all day long.
300 horsepower ass up.
Man, what you guys doing here, bruh?
I'm sleeping. I thought I was at the beach right now. What you doing? I wish I knew you were coming. We could have got some food.
We can still get some food.
I just ate.
Oh.
I just gained like 30 pounds.
No, I'll put it in and I'm gonna hook up my line and we'll verify. I'll verify that.
I like the construction we did earlier.
4060? Who wasted time building one of these?
Level X.
Still
Hey,
4060.
I have it in my 1,000 rear wheel fucking F-body.
I don't trust them.
Alive.
I don't trust them.
And a 10 bolt. And a 10 bolt.
I don't trust them.
I don't trust the tempo. I already bought blow my shit.
That's on you. Driver error.
That's because of you, bro. What it do? What it do?
Driver error.
What it do?
Hey, it's content, bro.
All right, so we're gonna be swapping out this hobby.
Hey, Mike, you want to go to the beach?
No,
Why you getting hella weak?
cause you suck.
Go to the beach.
You wanna go to the beach? We gotta go to Bali. Don't tell me to book my flight. I got $3,800 credit. When you wanna go? Tomorrow?
I'm ready. We go whenever.
I'm taking another flight Thursday, so
Where you going?
don't worry about it.
Where you going?
Another trip.
You must be going where we already went, because you would have told me. $60-ish. Yeah, 60.
See if I can see it from the inside. I'll just keep my head in there.
Fuck it, hold it out the window. Want me to close it?
How the fuck are you guys gonna see that?
Josh gonna look over.
Yeah. Roadhead done. Got that cop 3000.
Alright, so we got Joshy in here. We're about to do the CTSV ride along, get some titties jumping.
So we don't get what is it?
Demonetized.
Demonetized.
Damn. Damn,
All right,
Josh,
bad boy
you
in here.
heavy.
Yeah. Yep, I'm watching you. Just watch the road. Yep.
All right, we got fuel pressure.
We got fuel pressure, baby.
Ready?
Go ahead. Because he said it was dropping right away. Woo, steady, baby! 75.
Oh, yeah,
Just
we're
like
good.
that, 75. Yep, boom. Steady. Damn, this thing runs pretty.
Josh is like relief.
Woo! Yeah, all right, now, before the battery shuts off. Gonna use
Sounded pretty cool.
those other two are.
Make some blower noises.
I wasn't even on it. I was like probably like 40, maybe 50. I wasn't floored.
Yeah, because this is activated at 4 psi. You probably made like 8, maybe.
It sounded cool. Like,
This thing has probably like 5 degrees of timing in it.
Exactly. Yeah, no time.
when can I borrow it?
Oh. Put them on.
Let me borrow the vet. We'll trade.
Yeah, take it.
Here you go. So today we're doing a ride. Today we're doing a ride along in this. We're doing a ride along this 1400 horsepower C7 Z06. You know what I'm saying? This is my boy Junior's car.
Junior, bro, I fucked up, bro.
Bruh, I did one pull, bruh, and it lifted the heads again, bruh.
Better now.
We're gonna give him like 15 degrees of timing.
Yeah, he needs you to
I can't wait till this thing is like fully done now, though.
Huh?
I said I can't wait till this thing's fully done.
Oh, dude. Me too.
Bro, I think that was the first time I've ever like even got to hear the supercharger.
I heard it.
Bro, it's gonna get way louder when it's tuned.
Think so?
Oh yeah, bro. That's not even once we put a load on it, floored.
Hey, so he could rev his shit up to like 7,000, huh, Josh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hey, we got fuel pressure.
We got fuel pressure.
Tony, what's up, blood?
Helping out the people?
Like about to check and see if it activates at 10 pins.
Yeah. So we're gonna do a closed circuit. So basically, these two touch, you hear the beep. Closed circuit. So I'll have you. Hey, Junior, come here.
Come hold this.
Come hold this, please.
Am I getting electrocuted?
No, trust me.
Is this how like we did the spark plugs?
Hold these two.
Please.
Yes, yeah, ohm, yeah.
Well, you want me to hold these two?
Like this.
Okay.
We're just testing ohm. Go. No, you gotta hold it. I gotta put air in it. Here. Since you acting hella scary.
I'm like, what the fuck you want me?
Here, I'll hold.
You hold the air.
You want to hold the camera? Here, hold the camera. I'll hold it.
No,
Here, I'm
it's
holding
fine.
it. I'm holding
It's
it.
fine.
Do I
Sure.
press this?
Yeah, it'll just be, we see the volt. Go ahead, tap. Hit it. Oh,
It's working.
it works.
Yeah. It just wasn't enough PSI.
Keep going?
Good, yeah.
Pressure drop.
Hit it.
Pressure was dropping at.
Zero.
No, that's
Not till
fine.
you let it go.
Yeah. So watch, just put this next to your ear, because it's kind of loud. You should just put this next to your ear. Should hear a beep. Go ahead.
Little click.
Let go. Go ahead.
No.
See that beeping?
Nope.
Oh, it's there it goes. Yeah. Oh, it's just a beep. Hello. Yeah. Listen to it.
Yeah, here.
Yeah. Like it's showing the voltage. Yeah. So it just wasn't enough.
wasn't
then.
enough.
So it was working. We just needed something
It was.
to trigger.
It was having pressure drop at like. I want to say 4 PSI.
Okay, so it is working. All right.
We'll put that one on Junior's car.
Shut the fuck up. My car is fine.
Hey, what size is the factory fuel pump on these things?
It's like I want to say it's like a 310.
I bet you if this was like a 450 pump, then the 10 PSI hop switch would have been fine, because then the 450 would have carried it further enough.
What it is, it's making too much power down low, so it has a big fuel demand.
You ready? Aight. So we just left Josh's shop. Got the fuel pressure dialed in, so we can finally get on it a little bit without worrying about it, even though we still gotta finalize the tune. So just set up something, trying to figure out the tune with Jason. Why you tripping on me? Hey, chill out. All right, so since the last time y'all seen this thing, my guy D didn't even wait for me to come to put the heads on. I called him one day like, bro, what's good? I'm like, I'm thinking about coming over and see, you know, coming for the assembly. He was like, bro, I already got the heads on. Valve covers and painted, all that. So look at this thing looking like a brand new crate motor. Look at that. Brackets, pulleys, everything painted, looking brand new. Look, block painted. Look.
Even got swine stain on the block.
Yeah, we even got a swing stain tattoo. Look. This thing looking stupid clean. You paint the intake manifold already or not?
No, I need to paint that next. I had to fix that oil pan and notch it down there, so.
Oh yeah, so the oil pan was hitting these headers. These are the automatic headers, and I didn't want to swap them because they're already modified for the exhaust, and it has the triple slip fittings on there. So if I was to order headers, we'd have to redo the exhaust and the slip fittings and all that. So while we had the motor out, my guy darted, got at this pan. You can see it's notched now. Look at him. Good money. It was only touching on that side, right?
Yeah, only that side. The other side got hella clearance.
So yeah, this thing's about to go in all fresh. I can't wait to hear how it starts up with this new setup. Engine bay's about to be hella clean now.
Speaking of painting, you can probably walk in on Mitch painting the engine bay right now.
Oh, is he spraying?
Uh-huh.
Oh, we
Everybody's supposed to be doing over there.
we over there. So let's see if Mix is over here painting the engine bay right now. Might be able to catch him in action. Oh, he is spraying it. I hear it. My wheels off my truck. Engine bay getting off fresh. Fresh. Bro, this is my first car that I had the full engine bay painted on. The 350Z was like, yeah, or getting around it. Oh yeah?
It's flake.
The flakers?
Pearls. This is a yellow gold, it's like a bronze. That's a red flake.
House of color?
House of color.
These are the big ones, huh?
Yeah. Well, I'm pretty sure they probably both the same size. No, those might be smaller.
Those are definitely smaller.
Yes.
These are hella bigger. Fuck it.
Okay. The Lucy man.
Dump them in there.
Don't ask me to do it again because I don't know the formula.
It's engine bay. It'll be alright. Sugar, spice, everything nice. Alright, what's good? What's good with y'all? Just got back home probably a couple hours ago. I was gonna call it a day, but what I'm gonna do right now is I wanna go clean this thing up, man. This thing is filthy. So I wanna get ready to clean this thing up before I end up leaving for the weekend. That way I don't come back home to a dirty car. Plus, I need to add some E85 to it because in the morning I'm gonna be going to get this thing aligned. And right now, the E85 station that I normally use is showing that shit's only 69% ethanol. So what I wanna do is, I wanna go get this thing cleaned up, and then I wanna go to my other E85 station and see if the ethanol content changes, because if the other fucking station costs more and it's only 69% ethanol, then that is a big no-go. So we'll see. Currently, I filled up the last of the remaining E85 that I have. I haven't checked the ethanol content, but it's from the same station. So we're gonna see if that shit's still 69%. That is horrible. 69% ethanol. I think the lowest I've ever seen is like 80%. So that shit is watered down garbage. All right, so since I got hella gum in my mouth. My cheek look hella big, like a squirrel with a nut in his mouth. Whoa, pause. All right, so since I've been driving this thing around after filling up with the other E85, it is currently showing 73% ethanol. Oh, come on, focus. There y'all go. 73% ethanol. And this E is from that exact same station. It was just sitting in my container from the drift event. So yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I fill up at the other location. If the E85 content goes up, then I know that that station is garbage and we'll just use the other station. But it's good to have a sensor in here now because now you can actually see it. But granted, with the flex fuel sensor, it doesn't really matter because the tune's gonna compensate for whatever the ethanol content is. But it is good to have at least like 80% ethanol. I mean, even 75% is fine. I still like to see fucking my ethanol content in the 80s. This is the first time I've ever seen it this low on any of my cars. All right, one last look. Dirty ass bronze wheels. Dirty ass CTSV. All right, let's get this thing clean.